The world better prepare for when I'm up.
Mmat Mmtlp.
What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip. All right, guys. In today's video, we're going to switch it up. First, we're going to talk about ticker symbol MMAT, and in the second half of the video, we're going to talk about MMTLP. So let's get to it. Before we do that, let's take a look at the futures for tomorrow. S&P is green, 6.75 points. The Dow futures are plus 10 points. The NASDAQ is plus 44 points, and the Russell is plus almost 3 points there. So looking green tomorrow for the trading day, so very exciting. And let's get here to the numbers. So during the regular trading hours today, ticker symbol MMAT, MetaMaterials up 6.85% at $1.56. And after hours, we gained another 1.28% up to $1.58. Here you can see our average trading volume is 7.4 million shares, and we traded 10.2 million shares. So nice beat there on the average volume. Now you can see from the videos here I've been doing, if you look here, the 1 year target estimate is $3. So you're basically at almost like a 95% return if you're buying at this point. They've been having this 1 year estimate target here on Yahoo Finance for a while, and it's still got the $3 sitting on there. So like I said, I went in and bought today. You're going to see that later on here. Our buddy Wedge here has the update, the final day. That's right. We are NASDAQ compliant. We completed day 10 of 10. So what a nice day to end on. We're back in compliance with the NASDAQ listing requirements. So there you go. The chart is completely filled up. We got the NASDAQ compliant and the moon ship right there. Keep in mind, guys, earnings are going to be Thursday morning. That's right. November the 10th. Around 8 a.m. So we will see when that comes out and what kind of exciting stuff we got coming there on the earnings. All right. There's an interview out here we're going to touch base on. George Palacar, CEO of MetaTerry, confirms a partnership with LG. Now, I shared this interview here on my Twitter at TerryZ247. So like I said, go follow me there on Twitter if you're not following me. And I have over 3,000 followers, so thank you all very much who has been following me here recently. And I'm going to put this link to the George Palacar's interview down in the pinned comments. I haven't got to watch the entire interview yet. I wanted to get this video out. But someone commented down here, apparently the interviewer actually said ticker symbol Meta, and George didn't correct him. But I haven't got to watch it yet, but he did Facebook Meta instead of, MMAT, because, we were supposed to be the Meta ticker, but Facebook kind of, I guess, paid big money to get it, whatever you want to say there. All right. Here on the Fintel, short interest here, days to cover is 1.86 days. The short interest is 9.42%. Now, I got some interesting numbers for you. The gamma squeeze score, that's right, on the options chain here, 94.39%, guys. We are ranked number 27 out of 297 stocks. Now, this is still in the beta form, as you see here, so I'm trying to improve this here in the Fintel. Now, short shares that is available is 10,000 shares, so not many left at all. As you can see here, we were down to 1,000 shares earlier today. 1,000, 2,000, 8,000, 10,000. So, yeah, there's just not much for them there to play with. And the borrow fee jumped up a good bit today. You can see here, yesterday we were at 9.95% in yesterday's video, and today we're sitting at 12.47%. So, jumped up pretty good there, which means it's getting bought up and it's getting harder to get the stock. Finer short volume ratio 55.31%, and the aggregate short volume ratio is 57%. So all the brokerages here went through the total shares here. That's how much was shorted, guys. 57% of the shares was shorted. All right, MMTLP. You can see here down 2.42%, and we had really low volume today on MMTLP because we're just waiting on that S14 official to come out, approved, to get the dates. We're still waiting on that. So here you can see average volume is 745,000. We traded 478,000. So like I said, really light volume. Just waiting. That's the game. It's waiting. All right. Got some interesting stuff here on Twitter I wanted to share with you. Gardner Wade actually did a post earlier today. Said something about like I should have took a screenshot of it, but I didn't. But I retweeted it, and I thanked Gardner Wade and Palakaris for all the hard work. And Gardner Wade has deleted that tweet, and it was basically saying like, thank you for your support for 10 days of us promoting the stock, everyone buying the stock, everyone keeping us in the NASDAQ compliance. Meta Millions here shared this, that Schwab is now wanting to borrow both MMAT and MMTLP. They are willing to currently pay 4% for MMAT and 9% for MMTLP, but the important thing is they want both MMAT and MMTLP. So I found that very interesting, to say the least, that now they added MMAT to that. So like I said, guys, I'm excited for both plays. I have both stocks. So either one, both of them can short squeeze. None of them can short squeeze, because I believe in MMTLP's potential dividend, whether there is a short squeeze or no short squeeze. And in MetaMaterials, I believe in the company itself, what they're going to do long term. The short squeeze is the added bonus if it happens. All right, keep on going down here today. I did get this shot that MMAT was number 10 on StockTwits for most active. And down there you go. It was number 10, and you can see all the other stocks here that was under the most active. And today I did this tweet earlier, and I said, buy the rip, happy compliance day. I bought 200 shares of MetaMaterials. I literally must have bought it at the peak. If I go here back to MetaMaterials, what was the high? The high was $1.62 on the day range, and I bought it $1.60. But with $1.60, $1.57, guys, it's all the same. I'm not trying to time out the market. I said in yesterday's video, I was looking to go ahead and buy shares today. I don't really care what the price was. And when I had opportunity to buy it, it already was up like 7 or 8% at that point. I was like, I'm just going to go ahead and put in my buy order. I don't really care, because I'm holding this long term. Whether it goes up or down 5, 10, 15%, don't really matter to me, because I'm just going to keep adding to my position to these prices. It's a win-win for me. Yeah, that's where MetaMaterials is going to release the earnings. All right. For MMTLP, over here on the OTC short report, here you can see for yesterday, November 7th, the volume was 819,000. They shorted 377,000 at a 46.11%, guys. So very high short volume yesterday. I'm going to be curious what it was today. Being a low volume day, it's probably going to be in the 40s or 50s again, because that's what they do. Now for MMTLP over here in the iBorrow desk, I do see things are getting a little interesting. That the borrow fee is going up pretty drastically. As you can see here, there's only 20,000 shares available, but the borrower fee is at a 34.5%. And I believe we get down here, it was 35.5% at one point, and it was even 38.5% during the day as well. I think that was the highest it reached, yes. And yesterday, I believe it was 29.2 we did in yesterday's video. Opened up at 38.5, went down to 35.5, went down to 33.9, and ended up at 34.5. So pretty crazy there to see that go up. And the shares, let's see. Yeah, they did. It was 65,000, went down to 20,000. So yeah, there's not many shares left. I honestly believe on this that the float is pretty much locked up, guys, on this. Now, there is a clip out here that one of the MetaFam has of George talking about how MetaMaterials is going to have an exciting November. So let's go watch that clip. Okay, so we're going to end the video here with Meta Millions here. Doug0307 shares MMAT. This is all you got to watch at Palakaris. Knows that things are about to get real, and we are going to have an epic November. Checkmate. You know what it says there. I got to be careful because of the YouTube monetization. But here's the part of this interview that I shared back that I was sharing this interview. But this is a nice little clip of what George had to say.
What we have is just a matter of time in terms of execution. And people will see it, investors will see this reflected in every quarter, every result that we publish.
Fantastic. And in your closing statement, is there anything you'd like to say to investors to keep an eye out for? Any new and exciting things coming on the horizon?
We are excited about our grand opening, November 17th. There's going to be some exciting things that we're going to showcase. I can't reveal too much right now, but November should be an excellent month.
Fantastic. Well, George, we appreciate you coming by and supporting the LD Micro event. We enjoyed having you here. Again, I'm speaking with George Palakaris, CEO of METATERRY.
All right, so there you go. And if you go back and watch that clip, I kind of agree with this tweet down here from ZKG. That smirk says it all. So George kind of had a smirk when he was talking about the grand opening there here in November. So that is all I got for you in today's video. Exciting times ahead. It's an exciting time to be an investor in MMAT, an exciting time to be an investor in MMTLP. Just waiting, like I said, MMAT is going to do its thing. MMTLP, we're just waiting on the S1A to get approved. And once we go from there, Moonship mission. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up, drop me a comment down below, and I will catch y'all next video, guys. Peace.